We booked an excursion with Airbnb experiences, which allowed us to go on this boat tour with our guide named Melvin. It was so much fun. In my opinion, I think that this tour is just perfect for family travel, especially with teens. Now here's part 2 of our excursion. Alright guys, we arrived at our secret location. A fun fact, camera's fun fact, is that there's a lagoon behind us and full of sulfur. Don't worry though, because when you're in the water, you won't smell a thing. That's why it's a secret location. We're at Saona Island right now, and today has just been a great day so far. We saw some starfish, we saw some turtles, so I really recommend this for families with younger children because it's a very open area for swimming. Just remember to bring your goggles. Also, if they love marine life, they will see tons of starfish in this location, and they would have seen tons of sea turtles already. Even those little baby ones. This is a really good tour to go on. Thanks again to Airbnb Experiences. And while you're there, you'll see tons of marine life. You'll learn. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching.